I'm just gonna do 3 easy cool noses I can make. Right. I'll just go on my phone in a minute, just take a look. Right, look at the time. Oh, look at the time. Yeah, I need to check something. The first one is, it's like a really stupid noises. Right, I'll show you in a minute. Okay? Right. First one is... You see? Do you know how to do it? Right. There's your hand, just free hand. Go like that. Put this thumb up. Probably go like that. Short man, short girl. Yeah. What you say is girl, 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 girl. Now don't move your mouth. Say it right in your throat. Go girl, 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 girl. Good girl. The second one is so funny. No. Wait, no. That's just a police outside. Yeah. I'll be back in a minute. I'm making that. Right, ready? 3, 2, and go. Yep, easy. Like, subscribe, locate this video. Bye. Peace.